Hi, welcome to geometry class. I'm Mr. Rivera. Not really. That's a false statement, and that's what we will be discussing today. True and false statements. Let's begin with deductive reasoning. Look at these animals. Yes, I know they're not real animals, but look at these animals. They all need oxygen to live. That's a true statement. The monkey is an animal. That's a true statement. Therefore, we can conclude that since all animals need oxygen, and this is an animal, we can conclude that this monkey needs oxygen. And that's what deductive reasoning is. It is based on fact, so it's hard to argue with. If the first statement is true, all animals need oxygen. If the second statement is true, the monkey is an animal, then the conclusion is going to be true. Let's look at another example. Math. Acute angles have less than 90 degrees. True statement. Another true statement. Angle A has 20 degrees. Therefore, angle A is acute. Again, this plus this, two true statements, lead to this conclusion. Part 2 coming up. We found in deductive reasoning there are two true statements and then a conclusion. Now with inductive reasoning, we are going to not begin with two true statements. Instead, we just look for a pattern. Help me with this. 1, 4, 7. What's the pattern? What's the number that goes here? 10. Correct. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. If 1 plus 3, two odd numbers, come up with an even number, what do you suppose the pattern is? If we have two odd numbers here, the answer will be another even number. However, with inductive reasoning, quite often the answer is false because inductive reasoning is not based necessarily on true statements. People make assumptions in inductive reasoning. Nesting dolls. They're green. Nesting dolls are green. Not always. A deck of cards. Let's see. Pull a card out. Oh, it's a heart. Yeah, I'm throwing a lot of things on the floor. Major cleanup today, aisle 7. Look, another heart. I guess all the cards in here must be hearts. That's inductive reasoning. You make an assumption. They're not all hearts. Okay, we have checkers in here. A black checker. Oh, another black checker. Another mess on the floor. Another black checker. So they're all black, right? Guess not. That's inductive reasoning at times. False statements. False conclusions. Homework. For real. True. Not false. Here's the assignment. Mr. Rivera is waiting for your assignment. Turn it into him, to Mr. Rivera. Here it is. 2 equals 2. 2 equals those. Therefore, 2 equals those. What type of reasoning is that? Inductive or deductive? Give him all this information. 2, 4, 6, 8. Put in what goes in the blank and tell Mr. Rivera, what type of reasoning is this? Inductive or deductive? Over here, write all of this down. Answer the question. Tell about, therefore, angle R is what? Tell Mr. Rivera, after you answer this, is it inductive or deductive reasoning? If you have any questions whatsoever, ask Mr. Rivera. Bye.